Guys, ano yung kita itanaw ng sakyan Andre? Sa kini ka Mazda guys, ang nahitabuan na aksidente ka na siya dahil ipatanaw kung sa damage, no? So itong tanawon karon nakita sa Dalki. So mo kini ang sakyanan, damage kini. Yang ipatanaw kung unsay damage sa sakyanan para mapalitan pisa. So obviously kinahanglan na to ni ko ano, jack up na to ni para makita na kung pangilalom ni siya nitabo. Ay. Uy. Gusto kinahanglan ni ko DIY repair niya bumper whatever kung gusto siya DIY na po na pero pagka gusto siya signature na kuan trabaho kinahanglan niya ni ilisan o kuan bumper or adto siya sa mga kuan bodyworks repair. Suggest lang natin kung sayang ganahan gusto niya DIY nga repair i-repair na to DIY pero pag gusto niya na premium repair talaga advice na to siya na pumunta sa mga bodyworks. Okay, but the main thing here kung tanaw na niyang under chassis kung okay pa ba gini. Magpaabot na lang kita sa Tag-iya sa sakyanan again Mazda sakali Mazda 2 182 model no? So, bali ang nakakabit diri karon is iyang spare tire. Okay, so pag-abot sa Tag-iya atong i-jack up kini para makita na damage sa ni. But hopefully the engine is good condition, wala namang nakitaan na ano damage sa makina. So what happened here? Did you bump up something or no?
I hit a high curb.
You hit the curb. Okay, so obviously the damage is the wishbone. Yeah?
Pull around with the bush.
Yeah. So you need to buy a wishbone so far, wishbone and then drop link. Wishbone, drop link and then obviously the inner and outer tie rod. Okay, I will text you the parts that you have to buy. Yeah? But obviously we need wishbone.
When I get the parts, can you do it?
Yeah. Get the parts first and then text me when you're ready so we can schedule, okay?
I need the car for work. I was in sales.
Yeah.
Every time I try to move on.
Yeah. Get the parts as soon as you can and then we will arrange, okay?
Where will I get parts?
You know the auto care
Yeah.
in Dondrom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Google Map auto care Dondrom
Yeah.
and then it will tell you straight away in there. Okay? Just give the range of your car and then they will give you the parts.
They wouldn't be closed.
Huh?
They'd be closed today. Yeah.
Closed today because it's Sunday. They operate only Monday and then to Saturday. Okay?
Where are you from?
Philippines, yeah? And then this thing here,
Oh, that's the way.
yeah, we're gonna do some like DIY just to secure this thing. Okay? For
When
now.
I get that fixed, I want to sell the cars.
Yeah, okay. So that's it for now, okay?